Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to update your Ubuntu desktop. So there are two ways you can do it. So first way is go to applications, show applications, and then you type software, and then you see the second one, software update. You open it, and then it will check for update. And then once it's done, this might take a while or something. So this is one way you can do it. Okay, it's downloading from the official Ubuntu. So it says updated software is available for this computer. Do you want to install it now? So you go and click on details if you want to, and then you check whichever you want, whichever you don't want. In this way, you can manually select what type of softwares you want to update, what type of softwares you don't want. You don't want in your Ubuntu. So let's go ahead and then install now. But I'm not doing this way because whatever it is updates from the official Ubuntu, I want it updated by default. So you can go ahead and select install now. This is one way I'm telling you. And also you can click on settings, and then you'll see all the options here. So all the updates, you subscribe to all the updates, or you can do only security and recommended updates and security updates only, or you can also do the frequency. So how many times you want to check update, like a daily, or is every 2 days, weekly, or every 2 weeks, or never. But it's always to put all updates, and then daily, not daily, I would do weekly. Okay, I'll change my password. Okay, so you can also check download immediately, download automatically. So you can do all these options if you want in the updates tab. So I go ahead and close this now, and also I go ahead and then close this. I'm not doing this way. So there is another way we can update your Ubuntu from the terminal. So I go ahead and close this one, ignore for now, or I can open the terminal here. Okay, so in this one you type sudo apt update, and you type password. As you can see, it will get the update from the official Ubuntu page, and it's also telling me 225 cat packages can be upgraded. So run apt list upgradable to see them. So you can type one more time sudo, or instead of not typing sudo, you can do su, and then you logged in as a root, so you don't have to type sudo every time. So as you can see, I logged in as a root here. So for what I do now is I type exactly same as listed above. So I click on not click, I type app list upgradable. Okay, and then this will give me the list of software that is available to upgrade. Let's go ahead and then type apt list upgradable. I just had to mention this. Okay, as you can see, it gave me the list of the softwares that is available to upgrade. So what I do now is I run apt upgrade. Just type app upgrade. If you're not logged in as a root, you can also type sudo apt upgrade. Let me clear the screen for you. So you can type app upgrade. For if you don't have any root login or anything, you can always type sudo apt upgrade. So I hit enter, and then it will give me the list of softwares available from the packages, and then it will also mention how many are there, and then how many newly installed, and then how many not upgraded. So 125 standard LTS security updates, so 223 upgraded. So need to get 726 MB of archives. So you can read everything all through this, and for now I'll just say yes. You can type yes, or you can type y, and then you hit enter. So this might take a while, so I think this downloading, as you can see, you can see the percentage here on the bottom left, and then you can see the download speed on the right bottom right. So this might take a while, so I might have to crop the video, and then once it's finished I'll get back. So as you can see, it reached to 98% now, 99. So it might finish in a minute now. Yeah, so once it's finished downloading, and then it will start installing all the packages in your Ubuntu desktop. So this might take another couple of minutes, so give it like 2 to 3 minutes, or maybe sometimes it might take up to 10 minutes, depending on the package and depending on your speed. So as you can see, all the updates have been installed, and then everything is done in a proper way. There are no errors, there's nothing else. So I'll go ahead and then type one more time, apt update, and then see if that gives something back. So it still says 2 packages can be upgraded. So I'll do apt upgrade, and when I do apt upgrade, so there is nothing to be upgraded or anything. So it says 0 upgraded, 0 newly installed, 0 to remove, etc. So this is how you pretty much update your Ubuntu desktop. So you can also do some tweaks and settings here. So you go, I'll show you one more time. Go to all applications, and then click on software update. So the first option, so you click on it. Yeah, and then this will give a pop-up, and then so it will show you what you want to install, what you don't want to install, and there is a description for each of these ones. But you can also do settings, and then in the settings you can check all the things, like all updates, or only security updates, or whichever the recommended updates. And also you want to do weekly, daily, monthly. So that's how you do all these settings, and then updates for your Ubuntu desktop. Pretty much this is a process how you update your Ubuntu desktop PC. So if you have any questions regarding this topic, you can leave a comment down below, so I can follow up with you. So thank you for watching my video.